Value Research Portfolio Manager is a wonderful tool to get a bird's eye view of my investment. However, I was wondering if there was a way to add FD details to my portfolio manager. It would be very helpful given that FD is a fairly important part of my portfolio.
Thank you for the kind appreciation. Regarding adding fixed deposits in the portfolio manager, one can easily do that, and let me demonstrate how. You click on the portfolio manager. On the right side, there is an option to add investments. Simply choose the bonds and fixed income option. The transaction type would be buy here. You can simply write something like fixed deposit 1 in case you have many. Select your investment date, the investment amount. Input the kind of rate of interest your fixed deposit is offering. Add the compounding frequency that your bank is offering you. Select the option interest accrued or interest payout as suitable in your case, and simply add the maturity date. Once you input all of these details, simply click on Add Transaction and it will reflect in the portfolio tracker.